So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to breed a legendary dragon in Dragon City. So if you want to breed dragons, the first thing you want to do is to create this breeding mountain, as it's called. You can also upgrade it through here, so you can see the speed is going to increase and stuff like that. So from there you can click on breed. Now from there, in order to get a legendary dragon and what it means to be legendary, so you can see here the little R or C next to dragon names. If you click on this, it means how rare they are or what's the rank of that dragon. So you can see common, rare, very rare, epic, legendary, mythical, and heroic. So in order to get the legendary dragon, what you need to do is to breed two epic dragons that share exactly one element. This shared element determines the type of legendary dragon you'll get, including potential light or dark elements. So from here, once you get to an epic dragon, so this yellow shield with letter E, you will need to find how, if they, you can see here the elements. So if these two share two elements, you can breed them, and you will need to get them to share exactly one element, and that depends what sort of results you'll get. So you can see here possible results. So you can unlock by using high rarity empowered parents. So you can see here you can get legendaries, but they need to be very rare. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Dragon City or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.